This video is about how to visualize what you want. Visualization is a powerful tool to shape our destiny. Visualization exercise trains our mind's eye or subconscious mind. Visualization works equally well on what you want to be, what you want to do, or what you want to have. Visualization is seeing and feeling yourself in your mind, already being, doing, and having what you want. We use imagination consciously in visualization. It is a positive process. Visualization is a creative dreaming of what we want. No strain and no stress. Be relaxed and enjoy the pleasurable process of doing it. Whatever you visualize will be brought into your experience. Visualize a very vivid picture of the image of what you want. Make it very real. Use all the senses. When you see it in your mind's eye, use all the senses. The use of senses helps feel it better, smell it, and taste it. To visualize with feeling is very important. For example, you tune into prosperity by catching the feeling of prosperity. If you feel prosperous, you are on the same feeling frequency as prosperity. So, master your feeling, master your life. Visualization is a journey to reach your goals. So, enjoy your journey. Enjoy the process. Love the process. Forget about the result. Visualize success. And when you feel that you are enjoying the process and you are at the peak point with your feelings evoked, say to yourself with conviction, I deserve it. I deserve it. And feel that you deserve it. And say, I claim it. And claim your goal. Claim what you want.